To insert SD card into the Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is take your phone, and on the left side of this phone you can find the SIM tray. This is the place where the SD card slot is usually located, and from here you also have to take your SIM tool, which comes included with your phone, and all you have to do is just insert this pin into the pinhole right here, push all the way in, and from here you will have to push with much force. I mean, not with much force, but you simply have to push until the SIM tray ejects, and just like this you can grab it with your nails. And even though if you have short nails, there is no problem with taking out the SIM tray. As you can see, you can take it out just like this. Alright, let's put this phone here, and there is our SIM tray, and here we have this SD memory card slot, as you can see, and there is cutout shape, you can see it right here. So simply grab your SD card, and it should be positioned like this. Simply put it in right here, it fits perfectly, and that's how to insert this SD card. And from here all you have to do is just insert the SIM tray into your phone, and there is no way that you can do it badly, because as you can see, this SIM tray has this this side a little bit longer, so this basically means that this SIM tray will only go in correctly all the way here in only one position, so there's no way that you can do it incorrectly actually. So let's put this one right here. Be careful, make sure that these cards are not falling out of this tray, and simply push all the way in until this SIM tray closes here. And that is how to do this. That's how to insert the SD card into your Redmi A5.